Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into a quick guide on how to add your phone number on Discord using the PC app, especially with the latest updates in mind. Let's get started. First, go ahead and open your Discord app. If you don't have it installed yet, make sure you download it from the official Discord website. Once you're in, look at the lower left corner of your screen. You'll see a section featuring your username. Right next to it, click the little gear icon. This will take you to your user settings. Now, on the left side menu, you want to find and click on My Account. If you're not already on this tab, just select it to proceed. In the center of the My Account screen, you'll notice an option to add a phone number. Click the Add button right next to that. A prompt will pop up asking for your desired phone number. Enter the number you want to associate with your Discord account. Make sure it's correct, as this number will be important for account security. After entering your phone number, you'll need to complete various security checks to verify it. This usually includes confirming that you are not a robot. Once you've completed those checks, check your phone for a 6-digit code that Discord sends you. Type in that code in the provided field. Finally, to wrap things up, you'll need to enter your Discord password and then click the Confirm button. And that's it. You have successfully added your phone number to Discord on your PC. Stay tuned for more tips and tricks, and happy chatting.